Welcome to Day 2. So today we're going to add a shadow to our eye, a drop shadow. The easiest way to do this, I think, is by doing a connect the dots type idea. We're going to put in diagonal guidelines and dots at the end of those for our connect the dots. What I mean by that is it might actually be easier to turn your piece a little bit, and then we're going to just draw lines straight down with a dot, straight down with a dot. Now you want these lines to be about the same length. The reason I like to turn the page is because then that will help you get a consistent angle all the time, which is one of the really important aspects of drawing a shadow. Shifting over, draw straight down. So I'm imagining drawing to my belly button, pulling that line straight into my belly button and drawing that same distance. So pull that line straight into your belly button and then put your little dot on the end. Now you don't have to draw the dot, but again, if you want to play connect the dots, you kind of need dots. You can always just have the line end as well if you'd prefer that. Now we're going to go through and connect them. So just like you're drawing your eye, draw from one to the next. There might be areas like here where you don't have that next line, so wait with that one and move on and connect the ones that are easy to understand. Now, how will we do this dot if we have nothing to connect it to? We need to do a sort of ghost line in behind, so turning this back so that we would be pulling down into our belly buttons. You want to draw very lightly a line right around here. And you'll see, oh, hold on, this leads right into this shadow line, which is perfect because if you're always pulling into your belly button, you're always going to end up with the same angle. And that then gives us a guideline of where we should be pulling down to. You also can check by making sure that this line here stays parallel with this part of the eye. By connecting those dots, you have now added a drop shadow to your letter. Day 3, we're going to be adding a shadow inline and some color to really make this piece pop.